Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and use hidden accessibility features in iOS 26 that can make your iPhone easier, faster, and more comfortable to use. Many of these features are useful for everyone, not just accessibility needed. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the app settings. Scroll down and tap accessibility. This section contains many powerful tools that are often hidden or ignored. Inside accessibility, tap touch, scroll down and tap back tap. Choose double tap or triple tap. Now select any action like screenshot, control center, lock screen. You can also tap the back of your iPhone to trigger action instantly. Go back and tap touch again. Tap accessibility touch and turn it on. You will see a small floating button on your screen. This button lets you lock the screen, take the screenshot, open control center, use gesture with one hand. It's very helpful if buttons are hard to read. Go back to accessibility and tap voice control. Turn on voice control. You can control your iPhone using your voice. You can say things like open settings, scroll down, tap OK. This works even without touching the screen. That's it. You have now known how to find hidden accessibility features in iOS 26 on your iPhone. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.